The TONOR XLR Condenser microphone, TC20, is designed for professional quality sound capture, making it ideal for studio recording, podcasting, voiceovers, streaming, and YouTube production. Featuring an upgraded mic capsule with a low-noise FET preamplifier, it delivers smooth, clear audio with a natural warmth. The TC20 requires 48 volts phantom power from an external source, such as an audio interface, mixer, or preamp. The microphone uses a cardioid polar pattern to effectively eliminate background noise, focusing on sound from the front. Paired with the T20 boom arm, shock mount, pop filter, and XLR cable, this kit provides everything you need for a professional recording setup. Users are impressed with the TC20's professional sound quality and how it handles high SPLs, sound pressure levels, delivering clear vocals and acoustic instruments with minimal distortion. The cardioid pattern is highly praised for reducing background noise by focusing on sound directly in front of the mic, which is essential for podcasting, voiceovers, and YouTube production. The T20 boom arm stands out for its durability and stability, with a desk clamp that has a larger contact area, making it easy to secure on desks up to 2.4 inches thick. Users also appreciate the full kit, which includes everything from the shock mount to the pop filter, allowing them to set up quickly and professionally. Some users have noted that the TC20 condenser microphone requires an external power source, which could be a limitation for those unfamiliar with audio interfaces or mixers. The need for 48 volts phantom power means you cannot directly plug it into devices like a PC without an audio interface or preamp, which could increase setup complexity for beginners. Additionally, while the boom arm is generally well regarded, a few users mentioned that it can be difficult to adjust when holding heavier microphones, though the T20 is strong enough for most setups. The TONOR XLR Condenser microphone, TC20, is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home studio with professional quality sound. The kit includes everything needed for high-quality recordings, from the boom arm to the pop filter. Although the external power requirement may be a minor hurdle for some, the overall audio performance, sturdy boom arm, and noise reduction capabilities make it perfect for podcasting, streaming, and studio recording. Whether you're recording vocals or instruments, the TC20 offers excellent value for those seeking pro-level audio at an affordable price.